What is this thing? Is it a camera, a gadget, or something completely different? Because this tiny device has been recording my life quietly for the past 2 days. Definitely is not built for perfect high-resolution shots. It's actually designed to understand your life, more like a second brain. This is the Looki L1, and it might be one of the most interesting AI gadgets I've tested this year. Looki isn't trying to replace your phone. It's not even trying to be a camera. Instead, it's designed to support your life, almost like something that's taken alongside you. The reason that matters is because most of us go through our day on autopilot. We miss things, not because they're not there, but because our brain can only process so much at once. Looki acts like a third eye, quietly observing everything in the background. It records small moments throughout your day, then turns that into something way more interesting. We're talking life logs, insights, daily vlogs, even comics out of your life. And personally, the comics stood out to me the most because it's not just showing me what I did, it's showing my patterns, moments in my life, things I didn't even realize were part of my day. Looki has this feature called AI story mode. Once it's on, you literally forget about it. You don't have to think about recording. It automatically captures and analyzes the key moments in your day-to-day life without you having to do anything. It just captures moment every couple of minutes in the background, like a silent observer, tracking your day without interrupting it. You can ask it things like a real person and it talks back to you, not in like a robotic way, but more like a companion. Hey Looki, what is your purpose?
My purpose is to support you, helping capture and reflect on your moments, keeping you organized with reminders, and being a companion you can rely on, both creatively and in daily life.
And by the end of the day, it gives you everything back in a completely different way. I think really that's the point of Looki. It's not about capturing perfect moments, it's about capturing real ones, because you start noticing things you're normally ignoring, little routines, conversations here and there, moments that would have been forgotten. The more I wear Looki, the more it gets to know me. Another feature that I like is the pie feature. Looki Pie. Before I headed out to film today for my session, I told Looki to basically be my assistant, like look out for interesting things that I'm doing. If I could improve on anything, just let me know. During my filming outside, it was about to rain. Ellie predicted it was gonna rain, and it was telling me what angles to get, and it's telling me I got about 90 minutes left of light, which is something I appreciate as a videographer. An assistant looking out for me while I film. This little device is powerful. Now that being said, here's what I think they can improve on. The real life comics, although they show my routine and environment pretty well, it did capture my features well the first time I wore it. After that, my character started looking like a different person for each new comics. And second, this might be me nitpicking, but if there were a way to edit the daily vlogs it gives you at the end of each day, like adjusting the text on screen or swapping out clips inside the app, that would be amazing. Maybe in future updates they can make it happen. Looki is for people who wants to understand their life a little bit more. Creators like myself, busy professionals, people who are always on the move. Or honestly, anyone who feels like their life moves too fast, because in a weird way, this actually helps you slow down and reflect. And we all know with reflecting comes personal growth or career growth. So at just around $200, this isn't just another gadget you pick up and forget about. It's more like an investment in how you see your life and how you grow from it. And when you start using it, you realize you were missing more than you thought. I'll leave the link in the description below if you decide you want to grab the Looki L1 for yourself.